to life, back to reality. Oh my god. Oh yeah. So you see them splits over there? You've got one course of splits to go into them beams there. You've only got bison beams or whatever you want to call them, block and beams. So they go on the inside skin. So we've come here, or Matsy's been here to do them. Not last Friday, the Friday before, but they weren't here. She was waiting all day for them, and then literally got dropped late on a Friday. So he came here last Friday. Yeah, Friday just been, yeah, Friday just been to lay them, but there's only one pack, so it wasn't enough to do 2 houses. So we're here Tuesday to do it, and you know, I've been in Liverpool on the weekend with the fam dog. I mean, look who we've got in the cab with us. Pedward. Hey! Pedward's making his appearance on the hot trowel. Hey, Ed. Show her that manhole where. Show how wet it is there now. See that manhole where? Oh! Bursting. Boy, he's back. Yeah, so we're just going to sit in the van and watch Andrew Tate videos until it's a bit of Castellano, it's just like wised up outside. Yeah, gone a bit wiser outside. So right, oh yeah, I had a good weekend in Liverpool, and did all the family stuff that you would. Fireworks in Carnarvon Saturday, and yeah, it was nice to get away with family. All of us in one room, baby, Bobby, and a bit of a. It was quite stressful, to be honest with you, but it was nice, yeah, nice. Trying to go shopping with a 4-year-old and a baby and all that. So a few meltdowns. Few whingy kids when we sat down and have food, but no, it was worth it. Right, so we've gone for a little spin round Llanfonna. It's on Anglesey, so we just came down to stop where it was raining when we were up there. It's bloody blue skies here now. Weird. So this is the beach in Llanfonna. It's a nice old beach. We're going to go back to see what the crack is up there now. I bet it's raining as well. We're just sat in the van here. We've been out. Wet joggers. Even the ground workers are wanting to go for a little paddle there, look. Hey, Tommy, give us a dance, lad.
On the machine.
Just had another monsoon and it's cosy in the cab. There you are. Bloody on and off. And then when I say on, it is on heavy. So we've got to stack them splits now around the plot. Is that beeping now? Still in the cab here because I just say now it's at the minute we're taking a beating. We're in the corner, we're all against the ropes with the weather, so it's definitely weather 1, lads 0. probably, we're not going to throw in the white towel, no. No, this one's going to go the whole 12 rounds, I reckon. This one's going to be a bloody fight. And this is what we love, yeah. I'll go out for a hot shower later, eating my high carb final meal of the day. I'm going to sit there and be like, yes. I might even have a bottle of Koppenberg. Oh god, definitely gonna have 2 black eyes today. We've done, started doing one wall, but it's absolutely fucking. I mean, there's a river. Well, there's a river going through the site, but there's one actually literally going through the buildings out here. Oh my god. So I'm no expert, but when you've got a rising river and you're talking pretty close to the level of the container and you've got a pallet of cement, oh god, fingers crossed. I think I'm going to call it a day, you know. I mean, 1 minute, like, you think, I've been out in that, actually I've been stuck in that mud there. I went out to have a look at the, so I just went out, and then next thing you know, it started lashing it down and I was stuck in the mud. So I've just been to dip the river, and it's about 3/4 of the way up to that broom. Alright. I'll go out once more. Okay, once more. We're going for it, okay? Ed's out there. Sean's in the cab there, look. How you did? Right, let's go. Oh my god. Yeah, you got to put a cut underneath it to bring the level up. What are we saying, Ed? I mean, this isn't us, is it? This isn't us, is it, mate?
That's got some ball on there.
I've had fucking, yeah, some ball. I mean, hey, you could go for a swim in there. I mean, literally could go for a swim in there. Ah, this isn't us, lads. This isn't us. What we'll do, right, we'll leave the mortar in the tub in here, yeah? And we'll tell the ground workers if they want anything doing, they can use that. That's it. Clean the mixer, Sean. Armpits. Yeah, armpits, yeah. So, basically what's happened here is the ref, yeah, stopped the fight on health and safety grounds. Or, you know, no, I wouldn't even say the ref to stop the fight. The white towel's been thrown in, and I never throw in the white towel. What I was saying is I've had enough. I've had enough, mate. Well, this isn't us. We're stacking out here now, so we're going out with a fight. We're going out with a fight. Some mixers in the container, yeah? Yeah, a good reason why we just had a look at the drawings here for the house, and before we known it, we've come outside and we could have been trapped in the site office for the night. Oh, right, see you tomorrow. I mean, the site is flooded, I think, now, because there's that much water coming from the site. Look. Oh, it's flooded. So defeated now from leaving work so early. Hey, it's okay over there. Should have got a job over there.
start on that side.
Show you just the crack what we're doing today, yeah? We've got bucket leg empty and there's 6 of us here today, so we've got Ed and Jack, the other 2 brickies. Ed is an ex-apprentice, he was only what, 8-9 years ago now, in Red Rock, and he left after his apprenticeship, or just before his apprenticeship, and he comes back and forth whenever he's, you know, wanting a bit of work, whatever, which is fine. And Jack is an apprentice that he came with me when he was 16 and he left when he was 22. Earlier this year he wanted to see the big bad world for himself, and yeah, well, he's back anyway, so he's back with Ed. And then he got Ollie, they brought Ollie with him, young lad. He's literally never, I think he's done a couple of days on a building site before, so he's keen, and he's just putting blocks and stacking for now. So he's basically Sean's apprentice labourer. So we've got the mixer on this side, Sean's filling up the tub for us. Hiya Sean! And then down the bottom on the bay windows I've got Jack and Joe. So Joe's a 3rd year apprentice, and Jack, you know, he's been doing it 6, maybe 7 years now, 6 years maybe. So let's see how they compare next to each other. They got identical work, so I'll see you later on, yeah? But we're on, me and Dad are on this cable line now. Hey! You feel my head, did you? Fucking starting, you know? Hey! I've just been told, yeah, that I'm not allowed to point up anymore. They want it rough. They want it rough? Yeah, I think it's because the plastic. You can see the joints in it, yeah? Yeah, it's better, you know, if it's smooth. If it's flush. If it's rough, do you mean, yeah? Yeah. Good lad, Sean. Hey, listen, there's a box of slip ties down the bottom there, yeah? And I've got a little bit more of this. Hey, Ollie, do you want to go down the bottom there and go and get me slip ties? Pardon? Yeah, look at them socks of yours, lad. Oh! What are these, lads? Oh, yes! Oh, it's that box down there, mate. Box of slip ties, getting you that. And then there's a little bit of this foam stuff around the corner there. Cut that off for me and bring it down. Right, yeah? So we've done four courses with the profiles, and just built this corner rake thing here, right? So why I'm showing you this, yeah? Fucking hell, that's them. Spot the lads on day work. So I don't know, it's like 2:45, 3 maybe, and that jackhammer's been going flat out over there. The lads are trying to find a manhole. Just about to go up on the table lift, so the table lift's not quite long enough, so I'm going to use this hopper. I'll just move it out the way here. Lunchtime I asked Matty, who's going to shop, oh, get us a chocolate bar. He asked if I found anything. Do you want a chocolate bar? Yeah, and an apple please for later, yeah? What did he give me? Chocolate apple. There's a little power up in it. Look, hundreds of thousands on top. I mean, you couldn't have asked for a better choice. Apple and chocolate combo. So, like nearly 4:10 and gutted, I've ran out of blocks really. It was going well. So, cleared this table lift 3 stacks. So, yeah, I've got a little bit left to go here. So I don't know how many courses that is or blocks, but it's got to be at least 3 packs hollows going in there, that wall. Hold on, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 courses. So if I had more blocks, I've got another bucket there, you see. So 14, 15, 16, probably done 17, 18 courses block, but I mean, yeah, it's like wobbling. Righty, see you tomorrow. YouTube, so this is your introduction. This is Craig from
Bangor.
well,
London.
London.
Hertfordshire. Yeah.
So he started today. Definitely got 2 weeks for him, and welcome to the gang.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Coffee.
We've had a
My
fucking
mate.
nightmare, mate.
What's going on here? Tell me the crack here now. Not enough pressure in the hose, yeah?
Not enough pressure coming. We need water from the mains, mate.
Water from the mains.
I feel like jacking it.
Rough up here. Second day on the job, 4 lads. Battle for them. Here are the ties, so nearly finished now. So we're just trying to see what the crack is with these bay window lintels, but we've just come around here, and to be fair, that is a tidy job, isn't it? Cracking job. That is a cracking job. So that is a tidy job. That's the guy that did it, not this mug here. We just like to fuck about. So Jack here has challenged us to a pull-up competition. So pull-ups, let's go. Who's going first?
So the players are ready off now.
3. 3. Failed miserably.
Picture of health anyway.
Righty, bit of a fucking slow start this morning. Generator's got no fuel in it, there's no jerry can here. So, lads from yesterday, this won't fit. Right, why don't you... Oh god, this is going to be fun. Right, you can hold the camera. Right, as you can tell, it's another beautiful day over here. Basically, this steel is too narrow to fit in here, so we've got these posts, yeah, that these sit on, 2 of them, and then they go into here and they sit on these there, and then we'll just build it in, ties and so on. On this one we were going to build it properly rather than leave ties out, because it strengthens it, yeah. So that one's like 10 mil to 15 mil, but then when you come to here, the timber frame, it kind of kicks there, so it would actually be worse. So these want to be at least, you know, about 20 mil wider, and this one's even worse. I mean, when they've been trying to put this one in yesterday, you can see where it comes to. It's scratching there, so there's no way that's going in. And these are all the same, so we've got 8, 9, 10. There's 10 in a pack down there, but these ones are, so they're 2.1 bricks down there, like 2.1. I think these lintels were 2080, so hence that's why they're too short. But these are 2250, so they're like another 150 mil wider. So I can see this delaying the job a bit, to be honest. So we're just going to pack up our tools now and go over to a new plot, because I'm not wasting any more time, you know, on that. Show me what's going on here now. So Couple of bricks, spot board, and what we've done is dry bond back here, so we know what the sizes are. Might need to check that dry bond. Just go with your little finger, Joe, if you don't mind. Just start from here, and then so Joe's gonna build this corner. This has been dry bonded again, so stacked out. We got this mug here. Oh, it didn't go too much last night. Comes in this morning. Bloodshot eyes.
Fuck off.
So he's on this corner. Okay, so just going off to another job now. That's what we like to do on Friday afternoons. We'll start other jobs. So we've built a corner on that other plot over there. Brickwork is up on every corner, so the lads are going to run in this afternoon just on one side. See, what's the crack? What's the crack? We're in Trowel again. We're going to be doing them cuts on the rake now. Join us here, so we're just going to get that smashed in and then we're done here. Done and dusted. Righty, so steel, the acro's been moved now. Steel sitting on that padstone nicely. Craig's going to be on this side. Hey, Joe, come here. Come here, hold that. The lads have been saying that you look like Promise. No way. Anyway, back on here. You mark them, the lads will cut them and we'll bang them in, yeah? Right, we have had enough of this bloody wind all week, every week. So, nearly done. Honestly, launching these cuts in, but they're pretty good. Yourself there, Sean. So it's the end of the week and we're just having a little conversation, a debrief. So I'll just have a little recap for the week. We need to talk here.
Have a brush.
Okay, hey listen, this is the lad that started, Craig. I think he fits in. Shout out to Craig. Cockney. Sean always bloody hides when the camera's out. So
if my answer comes down, Gary.
Rugby talk then, so we've had that discussion, the cameras come out and then Sean's pissed off, so rugby talk. Joe's playing rugby tomorrow for the firsts again and he's in the starting team against possibly the toughest team in the league on First Division. So, but they're playing home and you know, go Bethesda. We've got Llangefni seconds at home. Probably will beat them, but it won't be easy. And that's pretty much it. Sean, you got anything to say for the camera? No? Nothing? No? Tisha did? You want to say something? Right, nobody wants to say anything, so see you later then. Have a good weekend.